I have a foundation.
The Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Pause. I'm back. Make it Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon? We're going real soon. I said it, so change your attitude and your tune. This is the Wall Street Beat Show. Positivity, love you.
And good morning. Good morning to you, Wall Street Pete. Crypto in Crypto. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Oops. Talking about going on a ride, right? Wall Street Pete, Crypto in Crypto every day. Come to you. Talking about this stuff. You hit the subscribe button, bell, all notification. And how's it going in the house to my wolves? We got a couple things to talk about. Then we're going to get into the XRP. What are the whales doing? What am I doing, right? Curious. We got Luke in the house. Long time no see Luke on a live. A good one in here. A good afternoon from Ireland. Isn't that amazing? Got some people from Ireland in the house. Well, you got Wall Street Pete in the house. Helium Foundation response to Binance. I don't know if anyone's paying attention. They delisted Helium, HNT as the abbreviation, now taking away, and they responded. They feel like this was a mishaps. They're very upset because they suspended it, and Binance announced that they would remove and cease trading certain spot, cross, and isolated margin pairs, specifically HNT, BTC, and obviously, etc. for the rest. It's a shame. Good morning, Nick, to you. And the announcement did not provide any specific explanation for the decision, but if you were wondering where Hunt went, they're gone. So when a coin or token no longer meets this standard, or there are changes in the industry, we conduct a more in-depth review and potentially delist it in order to protect our users. So unfortunately, Binance, we're working harder than an ugly stripper. Very excited. We don't talk about the NFL, but I have one game tonight for my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parlay. Yes, we need the Chiefs to win by 2 points tonight or better, and we will be winning that. That's amazing. We're going to talk about how Ethereum 13.15 is a good entry price for me. If you're trading and holding on derivatives, that's going to be something we're going to talk about here. Let's just get to the rest of the news here. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Please hit the like button. We don't have enough likes here. I would really appreciate it. You're not going to miss nothing. Just come out of your phone, hit the like little button there up top. Not this one on the top right, of course. But here we go. Ethereum sees biggest network growth day in 2022. Number of addressees hit all-time high. We are continuing to get all of these wonderful good news, positive feedback into the Ethereum system. All the fundamentals, right? We're growing very big. So we just got to pay attention to that, right? Even though the price is not really reflecting. Just keep it up on the news. This is what we do for you. So we talked about that, right? Helium is gone. And currently what I did on a trading position, this is the demo, but I do have a trading, obviously, account. And this is just to show you what's going on. I don't really think it's important to show you my personal trading stuff, but I do show you my strategy, right? My strategy is only, as you can see, this is not a strategy, tragedy. 0.6% in a profit, 5.7 and continuing to go. I just put this position in 20 times leverage, Bitcoin. Open price 19.3. So if you pay attention to my Instagram account, let me do that for you. I have a code. You can get BitGet, put it in, get free $3,000 to trade in USDT. Wouldn't that be fun, right? That's no bullshit. So if you want to pay attention to that sort of thing, this is why you hit the like and subscribe. And here we're talking about st.pete at Instagram. We finally have it here. There you go. It's hard to read, but I have it right up here, I believe. And if I didn't, I did it in the video right here. If you click in, there is a referral code. It's 8. And we're going to go right into the charts. Please don't mean to be very annoying. But if you invite people and friends to earn up to $3,000 and earn 30% off, I thought it was very important because you may have seen my BitGet tutorial. And there, right there, ASOH9GCC. And once again, that is the referral code for BitGet if you're interested in trading on the platform. Spot account. You can also do the leverage, obviously, and trade how many leverages you'd like. Be very careful, but it's once again 8S as in Sam, H9GCC, or go to the Instagram and get your free 3,000 USD. Saquon Barkley, want to avoid the Bitcoin dip. I did a little fun meme here, just fooling around and just a little thing. And it really is funny because he had a hell of a day yesterday. And the Bitcoin dip, you just got to follow Wall Street Pete, to be honest. So talking about this now, why I'm taking long trades at the 13.15 and why I think that currently Bitcoin is a good buy at this price level. As you can see right here, I put the long position in. We're trading on 20 times leverage. Good morning, Gary, to you. What happened was we gained about $300, $400 on the last trade we did. I've not touched this demo account. Actually, that's my real account too. I've not touched. Now I woke up this morning, saw this big fall. I was paying attention on the 4-hourly chart. And if you see right here, there was a huge fall on Ethereum. Came all the way down to 19,100. It was looking really bad. What I did was I then waited for this big bounce, a confirmation. As you can see, the last big bounce confirmation was a good buy. I believe we did this. This was the last time we bought Ethereum, if you understand. Follow me. Hit the like, hit the bell, subscribe, hit the copy link, and send it to a friend if you feel this is necessary. These are some of the things we do, right? Another big fall here. So I'm taking on this long position. I'm going to tell you what I think I'm going to do, and I'm going to sell out. I'm going to put it in here for you how to do it. So we're going to go to the market price. I want to close this position, right? So it's going to ask you, as you opened it already, how do you want to close this position? Well, I already know. I follow Wall Street Pete. It gives me the price. This is Bitcoin now. I'm going to take profits on 20 times leverage. Take profits. I want to go to the 20,200. I'm going to show this on the charts. Obviously, 20,405 is a big problem on the resistance we currently hit. But right there, I'm very comfortable with that. I'm going to go down a little more because I really wanted to get to the 2,000 level more. So we'll leave it right there. You can follow me. This is my strategy only. Please be very careful trading on leverage. You can get your ace kicked. If you want to go to the demo account, go to the demo account. You'll have the S there, and you can practice with me. But when I do this offline on my own stuff, I don't want to be disturbed. It's real money. I can't be bothered. So this is why I have my orders in already at this price. What am I doing? Well, I filled my order in at 19.2. So you know that. I couldn't do it on the demo account because it's not real money. I didn't catch up. As it was rising, I happened to catch the 19.3. So real life, I have 19.2. In the demo, I have 19.34. I'm happier in real life, right? Please be careful trading. This is only for professionals. Then it'll ask you how much the amount you want to take. And I'm going 100%, right? Dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. But I am really going to do this. And why is that happening? It's annoying. Get out of there. But here we are right now. I do have to get an update, so I'll probably have to go soon. So we're going to do this as quickly as possible. XRP is going up. Talk about how 60 cents, I believe, is going. If you want to trade like this, this is what we do. We confirm it. 20,230, ladies and gentlemen, is my price that I'm going to take profits. I'm going 100%, perhaps, because I believe there's a big fall. What I would do in my real account, and this is what I'm doing, so I'm just doing it in the demo too, I guess. No, I'm going to do it in this one because I don't have time to keep going back to a fake account. It's not going to happen. So what I'm doing is 80%. What I'm doing in the demo, well, we're going 100% to get out so it doesn't look stupid. And then when it falls, I'm stuck in a bad account. So that's what's happening. It's just telling you again, I borrowed on position. I have about 3 BTC now. It's very exciting. The market price, order, succeeded. So yes, XRP is next. I just want to teach some people how we're doing it. Then you can see right there, open orders, and my open order will show me to take profits, and there it is. I'm waiting for it to actually execute. Trade is waiting, as it says in status, it did not execute. So a lot of people are wondering how that happens. This is what we're doing. If I did get executed, I have $312 to back me up. God forbid, so I'm not going to get liquidated 100%. I do expect you to put isolated. If you don't do isolated and you pick the other one, you're going to get your ass beat. So don't do that. Make sure you hit the isolated instead of strategic or whatever it is, strategy. So here we go. Without further ado, Luke is running the show, and I'm not being sarcastic. Luke isn't on much. He doesn't have a lot of time, and he wants to know what is happening with XRP. So XRP, as we were coming into here, I thought we were going to get a cup and handle. Well, pretty exactly, if you ask me. This is the cup. This is the handle. If you could see here what's happening, and I'm trying to get you into it exactly here. 4 hourly. A lot of people thought it was crazy. I said boring sideways action. We're looking to get these falling wedges inside each other. And what happened with XRP? Well, as you can see right now, XRP is doing something special. And by the way, any of my Ethereum holders, 1,315 seems to be a beautiful entry. Please be very careful. But what I see happening from here, I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci sequence that I had eventually trying to tell me where we were done falling. And as you can see, we were done. It was probably 50%, 38.2. So XRP, let's get some indicators out of here. Like I said, I believe since we were trading 40 cents, I said I had to you currently 2 areas, and there was one up here at the 54 cents, and I said 60 cents. 60 cents would be a big price. We're going to stop that today and retrace back. And this is what I'm looking to do currently. So if you want to find out how to make sick dough in crypto, you hit the like, subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a 56 cents XRP. I'm looking to get out, make some money here, as we already might be hitting resistance if you pay attention here. Could get another leg up. So watch that. What could be happening here? And I'm looking at this. History does repeat itself, no doubt about it. We're looking to confirm the bullish momentum. This is a 4 hourly. I'm going to get to the EMA exponential moving average. It's one of my favorite things with the Bollinger Bands, right? And as I see the 55 cents, all the way up to about 56 if we get close enough, you're finding yourself in this cup and handle. And then what's happening? We're going to keep fighting and bouncing off the top of the exponential moving average. Once we fall below, and I got to tell you, this is going to happen, 4 hourly. Once we fall below and start breaking below this 51.8, and that's important for the XRP price. Nobody does better technical analysis than Wall Street Pete. 51.5 to be precise. 51 cent and a half price. If we come down, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be able to buy XRP back at the price of 48.5 cents. And please make sure you dollar cost average back and forth in this. Now, this is not guaranteed to happen. There could be another leg up. XRP looks really, really strong. The community is flying with this. Last talk of, obviously, the lawsuit and everything that pertains with this. But you must pay attention to the rising channel that's coming in. I'm going to get rid of the indicator because it didn't give me much I needed to see after that. But what I'm following here from this, what we've been getting, and it's very fair to say from October here, and of course, right, what the hell else is new? The month of October is a wonderful month. And if anyone's wondering, we're on XRP with Terra Luna next. Breaking down Ethereum as we just broke down Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will take us to 20,200 on this next jump. The rest of the market, as you can see here, will probably go all the way up to here. So pay attention, definitely to mention 2 levels you may want to dollar cost average out. Pretty exact right there. What I'm paying attention to now here, as you can see, old support, right? Getting to the daily on XRP. I'm finding a cup and handle, even though below down here. And then we're getting another cup and handle inside a cup and handle. Please don't get that effed up. That may be a rising channel, but 48.5 cents, look at that, perfect. What are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Ultimately, 55 cents is your big resistance. We're asking for her phone number. We're trying to break through. We haven't done it since we flipped support. Flip support into resistance is a very bullish thing. April 29th of 2022. So we're getting back to prices of April 29, 2022. Upward W coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, what is the ultimate price of the XRP community? Want to know if I was getting into this, and I'm just letting you know right now, if I was getting into this price, I would see 65 cents as 100%. I'm selling out. I know I sound crazy. I'm a sellout. Call me what you want. But I'm making sick dough in crypto, and I don't get into XRP often. So I'm going to get into this, and I'm probably going to pump out at 65 to 80 cents maximum. As you can see here, we have a 70. Let's get back into it. because I really want people to see us. We're about to flip on to the next one. The 80 cents will take you. I'm sorry, there's 65 cents. I'm talking stupid. Would take you to 88 cents is what I meant to say. And if you see right there, if you want to hold it a little longer, it's going to be a lot of volatility to the downside, scaring you. Cup and handles inside cup and handles. These are the next three levels. I'm looking for XRP to happen. And you can see that last flip from March 30th of 2022. There it is. 87.5 cents. So here we go. Ethereum real quick. Some of you Ethereum lovers, here we go. This is what I did. Take on the Ethereum price. Same thing, long position. I'm going to take this all the way to, and I want you to pay attention definitely to mention on this, 1370. As 1350 is a very important price. I'm going to find myself all the way up to about the 1370 on here. And let me see where I'm going. Up, check it back as I'm lying. Right there, 1360. So I lied. There's a mark here. So 1360 on this yellow mark. I thought it was 1370. We're going to take this orange mark here. What's going to happen is if I do get a nice little rally up here, cup and handle, as I said, inside another cup and handle, we're pretty much fitting the bill. Probably come back up to there. Like I said, 1360. I don't want to make anyone really get excited, but there's a huge possibility for this to happen. RSI level for the Ethereum chart. RSI level for the Ethereum chart on this 4-hourly is pretty strong. Continuing the trend is your friend to the end, giving us a little breakthrough down lower than we want to be. But what happened is it started to hit resistance on the upward slope, giving me the thought that this could be a nice little upward W, even in the RSI. And if we continue to do so, please pay attention, definitely to mention on that, because then that would be particularly what I expect in the next move in the short-term time frame here. Still looking at Bitcoin for 22,000, 23,000. If it breaks through there, we'll be excited. What do I need real quick to tell you to happen? We would need to break the 1360, 1370 level in order to maintain this price. So pay attention to up here, 1380. I would not definitely put a sell out. I'd go before there, which is why we're going 1360. We're trying to beat the whales. So looking to beat the whales in this next little pump here before the Sunday meltdown is over. We had the Sunday, right? And if you see here the Sunday meltdown, it's over, looking to be, perhaps we're getting a bullish hammer. I do look to see if we're getting that. A bullish hammer would be something to pay attention to here. This is a 4-hourly candle. Are we getting the bullish hammer in this chart here? Could be very well. What would be happening is a nice uptick to the 1360. So the more and more I look at it, the more and more excited I get, thinking it's going to happen. Like I said, same kind of thing. Cup and handle inside a cup and handle. Currently 20,400. It's really going to take us there. I would try to beat the rest of the whales. What is that? I told you already. 20,200. Let's beat the whales. Get the bottom lip confirmed once we hit resistance, or perhaps don't even get there. You'll see 20,200 on the leverage position is why on BitGet I have that. So currently right now looking at that, if you were following me, you would be saying, thank you, Pete. Pretty excited. And what's the current order position right now? You'd see 4% in a trade, trading on 20 times leverage. So be very careful what happens. You'll see your liquidation price is 18.4, and you would have to adjust that if it did start coming down to it. You're either going to take your initial loss in the margin, which is $3,000 in margin currently right now here, as for example. So be careful, but this is the trade I'm doing. I don't want to lose the $3,000, right? So what am I doing? I'm taking profits. It's very, very important. Total crypto market cap. As we get to Terra Luna to close the channel for you this morning on this wonderful weekend, we are looking at $937.5 billion, down 0.76%, not even a percent right now. So we're looking pretty strong, nothing to panic about, but we do have the signs of these bearish momentums, as you can see. I'm taking a long position on hoping that the technical analysis is telling us that we're getting a nice little short-term pump. Pay attention to that. BNB, Bed and Breakfast, 275. Currently, XRP community up 16%, as I was telling you. There's a chance we could start falling from the 56 cents all the way to 60 cents. So you're going to watch those levels. Could be a chance where then we do break through there. You'll find 88 cents as a big, big gain coming in the longer term, of course, at the end of October. So pay much attention to that. I'm excited. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And without further ado, as I promised to give to you, we're going to go over Lunc, Terra Luna Classic. Everybody is probably excited about that. And I did give to you the last move, right? We did get the last move. Not specific on this chart. I don't know why, but I did say short little term pumps. If you watch what's happening, immediate resistance right at our level. I don't know if you see that on here. Let me zoom in a little. But I told you somewhere around, and I did mean exactly 3,200. So if you see here, The 3,200 exactly as predicted pretty much here. We hit, filled, sold out. I beat the whales. I did not wait for 3,200 exactly. Please understand, as I lose my mind sometimes. We're getting resistance. I do expect this maybe to be a downfall, and then the next candle perhaps to pump up. We'll pay attention definitely to mention this. This is a daily chart. What are we ultimately seeing here, ladies and gentlemen? Well, a lot of you are going to learn. You're going to find out right now. So all the people who left, all the people, please hit the like and subscribe. I'm going to tell you what I think Luna is going to do and why I think Luna has hit the bottom. And this is a little sneak tip to the ending of my video and why you should have stuck around because now we're ending on a 20-minute video and you missed the best piece of this. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now finding ourselves exactly as predicted, creating this shoulder with the sky is the limit. And where's the sky? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to make some sick dough. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, well, better put your positions and order fills in because there's a lot more coming to this, just this little resistance. I'm stacking my bags. I earned a little bit more Terra Luna this morning for making this move. So I'm pretty excited. It's October 10th. It's spooky time, right? Halloween's coming. I do expect to get a nice bump. I have two levels I'm going to give you. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention as this daily chart gives you. We're going to watch and we're going to be very, very careful. What am I seeing currently right now? Well, the last big peak here that I have is 33.5. So if anybody missed the move and if anybody is upset, we have not done enough videos non-stop, back-to-back. Well, maybe this is your video. What's going to happen now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be a little more active if we so can, but I want you to pay attention to the price here. We hit the resistance there. This is going to be your next price level to get out. If you do not, you could be ultimately miserable. What I'm looking to find is 3,700 as the next peak. This is the shoulder, ladies and gentlemen. When it's complete, we could form a head and then start something called the inverted head and shoulders to the downside. So currently right now, as you can see here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're still in the midst of creating this. So you got to pay attention. So hi, I have you, Luna Terra token. Very exciting, right? A good one. Pay attention to what is happening. We seem to be building strength. Get to the EMA, get to the MACD really quick. MACD currently flipping resistance, right? Currently, as I said, don't want to be the guy, but exactly as predicted, right? Hitting the resistance up top here. So it is really happening, as I said. MACD getting a little resistance. So we're going to go a little shy here. We're going to manipulate you out of the system. And then as long as we can maintain some flat levels here, create new higher lows, pretty much happening on Terra Luna here from August of the 19th, August 19th here. What's happening? Well, we're in September 25th. And now, ladies and gentlemen, back in October 10th, we are still considering in the upward trend. So pay attention to that. And Terra Luna, if you hit the like and subscribe, you'll find out. We are currently doing this. So I think we got one more leg to the upside. I think that one more leg, please pay attention very carefully as I'm showing you on the RSI levels. Here it is. Very important. 33.5. So pay attention. Could be the last leg up. Could be all the way up to the arrow. This could have been it. So I'm concerned. But I do see in the daily, in the 4-hourly, that occurring. And if you do get to the 4-hourly chart, perhaps it looks exactly as I'm trying to tell you here. Maybe you can see it. And this is maybe all it takes. I wish I would get out of there. There it is. Maybe on the 4-hourly chart you see it. So we have to break above, obviously, the 32 price. If we don't break above the 0.00032 price and finish a 4-hourly or a daily candle above this price, ladies and gentlemen, you will be lost. I do see an ascending channel coming, so I'm pretty happy. But we must break above this price and finish a 4-hourly, 3 hours. So we're only an hour into the new candle. Get to the daily, and as you can see here, 11 hours. So we got 11 hours, ladies and gentlemen, to really understand, can we break above and come back from the 3,200? This is what you pay attention to. This is what Wall Street Pete prepares you for. So if we're not going to do so, we're not going to see this big spike up. So we got to get that moving. You must see this in order to get those results. Then we'll finish above the 33.5, and you'll know 3,700 is coming, and you could definitely sell out some good money there. So pay attention to what the whales are doing, ladies and gentlemen. I came live. I put this position in 5.6% in a profit. I do expect to sell out. As you said, put your open orders in. Take your profits always. We're taking our profits at 20,200 on Bitcoin. Ethereum, we're taking our profits at Ethereum around 1360. If it breaks above the 1360, we'll dollar cost average out all the way to the 1400, 1380. This is my strategy, not financial advice, ladies and gentlemen. Just a gentleman twice as nice. Please hit the like and subscribe. One day you will see me in the streets of New York in Philadelphia. We will be making sandwiches. We will be converting with some of the restaurants. They already told me they'll help me in the long term. Of course, we need a lot of things to happen in crypto. Unfortunately, it sucks, but I'm working my ass off, and it doesn't take crypto to make me have to do this. I have big goals, and I know I talked about it a few times on this channel. One day, we're going to take care of the less unfortunate, and we're going to show it on YouTube. So it's not going to be the, on YouTube bragging. It's just going to say, hey, we established our goal. I'm very excited. And please be careful. The crypto space is very dangerous. So if you like this sort of thing, hit the like and subscribe. We bring the news to you. We talk about technical analysis, fundamentals. It's important. It's very important. Do your own research. A lot of things you have to do in this crypto space to stay alive, to stay up to date. One thing, subscribe to this channel. That's how you stay up to date. Take care, everyone. Enjoy your work week. It's a long work week. It's a nice, brisk, cold week. Fall is here, and so is Wall Street Pete. So you hit that like and subscribe, baby. Let's go. Sicto in crypto.